How to create a Pinterest business account. Today, our topic is all about how we can create a Pinterest business account. To start, launch the Pinterest app on your device. Then log in to your personal Pinterest account. In the Pinterest app, tap the profile icon below. Then tap the gear icon at the top right. Under the login section, tap Add Account. Next, tap the Create button under the business account. Tap the linked business account to use the same email address and password that you use on your current account. Tap the Create account to confirm. Now your Pinterest business account has been created. Next, update your profile by tapping the three dots icon at the top right. Then select Edit Public Profile. Here, change your name to your liking, your story, the website you have, your pronouns, change your username. You can add your email, country code, and also your phone number. Once you're done with all of that, tap Done at the top. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.